The United Democratic Party Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Kermen Shilla, had shared his views on the government's new mining policy, which he says would benefit the people of the state and coal traders of Meghalaya. Speaking to newspersons on the 30th of July 2021, Kermen Shilla said that he is hopeful that the department concerned would speed up the mining plan since most of the people, especially in the Jaintia Hills, are dependent on coal for their income. Shilla also added that most of the people are reluctant to support the plan since they do not have much knowledge about it but would ultimately accept the same once they gather enough details of the new mining plan.
It can be, if you can speed it up, it will be a benefit for the people of our state, which means we have seen that, and we know that most of the people in our state are depending on coal. So I believe that if the department can speed it up this process for mining plan, it will be a great benefits for the people of our state, especially those who are applied. And then it will be benefits for others too, because directly or indirectly it will be a great benefits. So we hope that this thing should be done as early as possible. And some of them also still don't know exactly how will be that mining plan will be. So that's why most of them, they don't want to go ahead with it. They are just waiting for those few names, those who came out, 5-6 names. They are waiting for that. How will the process will be, and then what will be the cost? People are waiting for that. Any new policy is not easy for us to learn it very fast, very soon. So it takes time for us to learn, and in that process, so I believe that people will learn about it and then they'll go through it. And at the same time, that if we follow as per policy, it will be a benefit for every one of us. Whether state also don't have to worry so much that illegal things, this and that. I believe that people are understood that the exact things that what needs to be done, and then why the government are trying to implement this policy is for the benefits of our state, not only the public, even the government as well. So that's why maybe people are trying to go along with the government. So I believe that is why they are trying to stop this. They stop themselves for illegal things.